What?
Did you know that potato chips were invented out of sheer frustration and a diner's complaint? Back in 1853 at a resort in Saratoga Springs, New York, a customer kept sending his fried potatoes back, complaining they were too thick and soggy. Chef George Crumb decided to slice the potatoes as thin as possible, frying them until they were crisp and adding a dash of extra salt, hoping to annoy the picky eater. To Crumb's surprise, the customer loved them. This accidental creation quickly became a hit, leading to the birth of what we now call potato chips.